Hey YouTube, let's take just a quick minute here today and talk about build plates. So, we ordered this double-sided PEI plate. One side's textured, the other side's smooth. We got this. We actually ordered it straight from AliExpress, which has been great. It was cheap. I want to say it was like $12 for this build plate. It's been awesome. Works great on the printer. Obviously helps with the PLA adhesion. The original Prusas, they come with these satin sheets. They do all right for PLA, but they're not super sticky. These guys right here are much better for the PLA that we print. So if you guys are having bed adhesion issues, go ahead and hop on AliExpress. You can get them on Amazon as well. Amazon, the markup, I want to say they're like $40 to order it straight from Amazon. So we found them on AliExpress and ordered it through there. We got another one here for the bamboo. Same thing, smooth on this side, a little bit textured on this side. No, it looked like a dent there. It's just a dust scuff. Just want to make sure we didn't dent the plate. On the actual Prusa, we are still just running the issued plate. We haven't had any issues with adhesion on the bamboo, but with this thing only being $10, it never hurts to have an extra build plate in case something happens. So if you guys are looking for cheap build plates to print on, go ahead and hop on the internet. You can find some great deals. They've got a ton of different variations of this. Right now we just have the single one for the Prusa. We did order an extra satin powdered sheet when we first got the XL, and honestly just kind of sat here, so I wish we would have put that money elsewhere. But online is great resource to find other prints if you guys are having, other print sheets if you guys are having issues with adhesion.